haven't gotten a chance to use it yet, so it might work just fine, but this is how it came. I just pulled it out of the box from Amazon. The top is completely like ripped open like that, and the bottom is already forced open. When I lifted it out, it almost fell out because the bottom is just sitting open like this. I don't know what the heck happened to it, but it was obviously put in the box like this because it was surrounded by paper. So whoever boxed this up knew that it looked like this, and they put it in there and wrapped it up.
This is the small amount, very small amount of coffee brewed with one process. And this is how much coffee grounds came through when I strained the coffee. It appeared to have a lot of coffee grounds in it. I'm definitely sending it back. I feel pretty disappointed.
I love my new press. It's just a little small. Thank you.